Hello, hello, morning students. How are you? All are fine. Okay. Hello. Okay. Good morning, students. All are fine. Right. Welcome back. So welcome to our online maths online classes. Okay, my dear students. In our earlier online classes, we are discussing about the circles. Okay. So different types of circle equations and problem solving on the different types of circle equations had already learned in the previous our online classes. Okay, so when the center and the radius was given, you can find the equation of the circle, and when equation of the circle was given, you can find the center and radius of the circle, vice versa. Okay, and if two points or two end points of the diameter are given, we can find the equation of the circle. Okay, and we can obtain the parametric equations of the circle. Okay, so different forms we can solve the problems on circles. Okay, right. Now today class we are discussing some different types of problems. Okay, basing on the equation of the circle. Okay, so standard form of the general form of the equation of the circle. Okay, right. So let us see the question number one. Okay, fine. Show that show that. Okay, okay. Question number question number one. Show that show that the 4 points. The 4 points. Show that the 4 points. 1, 1. 4 points. 1, 1. -6, 0, and -2, 2, and -2, -8. Okay, 4 points are concyclic or concyclic concyclic. Okay, and find the equation of the circle, concyclic, and find the equation of the circle. Find the equation of the circle. Okay. So this is the question. Show that the 4 points 1, 1, and 6, 0, -2, 2, -2, 8 are concyclic, and find the equation of the circle. Okay. So let us see that we have to prove that the given 4 points lie on the circle. Okay, so that is concyclic. Concyclic means the 4 points, the points which are on the circle are called concyclic points. Concyclic. Okay, so if we have to show that the given points are concyclic, the points must be on the circle. Okay, so for that purpose, first we find the equation of the circle which passes through above 3 points. Okay, which passes through above 3 points. First, you have to find the equation of the circle. Okay, right? For that, what is the general equation of the circle? So let equation of the circle be equation of the circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the general equation of the circle, right? So general equation of the circle, so this is equation 1. We consider this is equation 1, right? Okay, next, if the equation passes through 1, 1, we can substitute the 1, 1 on this equation. Okay, so that means x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Okay, x coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is 1. Let us write the step here. If it passes through 1, 1, then x square means 1 square plus y square, that is also y is equal to also 1, so for 1 square plus 2gx, x means 1, plus 2fy, y means 1, plus c is equal 0. Okay, so we are substituting 1 and 1 in the given equation. Okay, for x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. So now 1 plus 1 square plus 1 plus 1 square 1, 1 plus 1 2. Okay, 2g plus 2f plus c is equal -2. Okay, so the equation is 2g plus 2f plus c is equal 1 plus 1 2. Okay, so we carry forward this 2 in the right hand side, so it is -2. Okay, so this is -2, so this is equation 2. Okay, right? So now put this as equation 2, right? Same way, so it passes through -6, 0. Okay, it passes through the equation passes through -6, 0. Okay, so it passes through -6, 0. Then x is equal to -6 and y is equal to 0 is substituting and the general equation 1. Okay, the equation 1. So let us substitute for x is equal to minus 6. So minus 6 whole square plus y is equal to 0, 0 whole square plus 2g into x. X means minus 6 plus 2 of y means 0, okay, plus c is equal to 0, right? Okay. So minus 6 whole square, that is 36, 0, minus 2 into 6 minus 12g, minus 12g, okay, this is 0, plus c is equal 36. So plus 36, this is minus 36, okay. So this is equation 3, okay. Minus 12 plus minus 12g plus c is equal to minus 36. So this is equation 3, right? 2g plus 2f plus c minus 2g plus 2f plus c is equal to minus 2. Equation 2, minus 12g plus c is equal to minus 36. Equation 3. Okay, right? Okay. Let us substitute another point, that is third point, minus 2 comma 2. Okay, minus 2 comma 2. Okay, so minus 2 comma 2, it passes through. Okay, okay, it passes through minus 2 comma 2, right? Okay, minus 2 comma 2. So substituting the equation, minus 2 whole square, okay, minus 2 whole square plus 2 whole square, y is equal to 2, x square plus y square plus 2gx, x means minus 2 plus 2fy, y means 2 plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Plus c is equal to 0. So minus 2 minus 2 plus 2. This is equal to minus 4g plus 4f plus c is equal 4 plus 4, 8 minus 8. So equation 4. Equation 4. Okay. So equation 4. Okay. So next, now we have three equations in GFC. Okay. By using three GFC equations, we can find the G, F, and C. Okay, right? For this, what we have done? So we solve the three equations. Okay, we solve the three equations. Okay. So what is the second equation? 2g plus 2f plus c is equal to minus 2. Okay. And what is the third equation? Minus 12g plus c is equal to 0. Okay. So, okay, next, if we solving the three equations. Okay, equation 3 minus equation 4 implies, okay, what is equation 3? Subtracting equation 3 minus equation 2, equation 3 minus equation 4. Okay, equation 3 minus equation 4, it implies, okay, so what is equation 3? Minus 12g plus c is equal minus 36. Okay, so this is equation 3. Equation 4, minus 12g plus 0f plus c is equal minus 36. And fourth equation is minus 4g plus 4f plus c is equal minus 8. Okay, a subtraction. By subtracting this, you get minus 8g, okay, minus 4f is equal to minus 36 plus 8, minus 28. Okay, so this is equation 5. Equation 5. Okay, okay, right. Next. Okay, so subtraction equation 2 minus equation 3. So it implies, okay, what is equation 2? 2g plus 2f plus c is equal to minus 2. So this is equation 2. Okay, and what is equation 3? What is equation 3? Minus 12g plus 0f plus c is equal minus 36. Okay, so now by subtracting this, 2g minus 12g, that is 14g, so plus 2f, c minus c 0, this is equal to 34. Okay, for 34. So this is equation 6. Equation 6. Okay. So equation 6. Minus 8g. Okay. Minus 4g. Minus 28. Minus 8g. Minus 4f equal to minus 28. Okay. So 14g plus 2f is equal to 34. Okay. So 5 and 6, you can solve the 5 and 6. Okay. Right. Okay. So what is the fifth equation? Minus 8g minus 4f is equal to minus 28. Okay. Next, by multiplying the fifth equation by 2, okay, we get 28g plus 4f is equal to 68 for 68. Okay. So by adding these two equations, so 20g, so this is plus 0, so this is equal to 68 minus 28, 40. Okay, 40. So 20g is equal to 40, therefore g is equal to 40 by 20. Okay, so 40 by 20, this is equal to 2. Okay, so g is equal to 2. It implies g is equal to 2, right? Okay, so g is equal to 2. So we get the value of g. Okay? If g is substituting in the equation above, we get the value of f. Okay, okay now. So that is substituting g in equation 5. Okay, 5. Okay, so that is 14 into g 2 plus 2f is equal to 34. Okay, so this is 28. Therefore, 2f is equal 34 minus 28. So how much? 6. Okay. Therefore, f is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 6. So it implies f is equal to 3. Okay. So f is equal to 3. Right. Okay. So we're substituting this equation into, okay, for getting c value, we're substituting the g of values in equation 2. Okay. So substituting g is equal to 2 and f is equal to 3 in equation 2. Okay, equation 2. So equation 2. So equation 2 is 2g plus 2f plus c is equal to minus 2. Okay, minus 2. 2g plus 2f plus c is equal to minus 2. So what is the g value here? G is 2 and f is equal to 3. Okay. So 2 into 2, 4 plus 6, 10. So C is equal minus 2 minus 10. So this is equal to minus 12. Therefore, C is equal to minus 12. Okay. So we get all the three values, that is G and F and C. Okay. So G is equal to 2, F is equal to 3 and C is equal to minus 12. So we get all the three values. So now we substitute all the three values in the general equation. Okay. Now we will get the equation of the circle, right? Okay. Okay. So what is the general equation here? So x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So this is the equation 1. Okay. So substituting GFC values in the equation, x square plus y square plus 2g. Okay. So g. So 2g x plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Okay. So what is the g value here? So g is equal to 2 and f is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 12. Okay. Minus 12. So x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay. So this is the equation of the circle, x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the circle. Okay. So the fourth point is there. So in the question we have fourth point. So if this point, the fourth point is also on the circle, then the 4 points are concyclic. Okay, we can declare that all the 4 points are concyclic, right? So now substituting the fourth point in this circle. Okay, so what is the fourth point here? So fourth point is minus 2 comma minus 8, right? So fourth point, that is substituting minus 2 comma minus 8, okay, in the above equation. In the above equation we get, so x square means minus 2 whole square plus y square means y coordinate minus 8 whole square plus 4 into minus 2 plus 6 into minus 8 minus 12. Okay, so this is 4 plus 64 minus 8 minus 48 minus 12. Okay, so 64 plus 4 68. Okay, so 48 12, how much? 60. Okay, 48 12 is 60 minus it 68, so minus 68, right? 68 minus 68 is 0. Okay, 68 minus 68 is 0. So therefore the fourth point is also on the circle. So the fourth point, the circle passes through minus 2 comma minus 8. Okay, so therefore circle passes through circle passes through -2 comma -8. Okay, therefore given 4 points are concyclic. Therefore given 4 points are concyclic. So therefore given 4 points are concyclic, right? Okay, so this is the okay. So given 4 points are concyclic, right? So this is the process to prove the given 4 points are concyclic, right? So these are very important questions. So essay type question for 7 marks. So many times uh, it had come into public examinations. Okay, so show that the given 4 points are concyclic. So that is the question. Okay, so for this, first we find the equation of the circle by using the first 3 points. Okay, by using the 3 points. After after finding the equation of the circle, next what we had done, we can substitute the fourth point and the circle. Okay, if it satisfies the circle, then the fourth point also is on the circle. Okay, so therefore all the 4 points lie on the circle. So therefore the given 4 points are concyclic. So the given 4 points are concyclic. So this is the process to show that the given 4 points are concyclic. Okay, so in the same way you can solve the problems which are given in the exercise, the textbook. Okay, so you will consider the remaining problems which are given in the textbook in the exercise 1A. Okay, on this heading you will do it as assignment. Okay, if you have any problem or any doubt while solving the problems, you may contact with me. Okay, okay, thank you Ananda. We'll meet again the next class. Thank you.